Hi, all you people. Today is the 21st of May, and I just want to make a quick short video for some of those users that's on the EasyBot already, that used to be on the mass strategy that is not over to the SBS strategy, which is called the sliding blockchain strategy. People, this is very I've been in a few corporate calls already, and everybody says, move over, make sure all your people is over. It's a bit difficult for me to get to all the people that is in my groups. So I decided just to make a quick and short video to show you how to change your current bot from the mass strategy to the SBS. The SBS is just magnificent. It sells faster, it buys faster, and it moves your funds, it moves your money more and more, accumulating income. That is the eighth wonder of the world, and this is what we're doing here. So without more delay, let me go and share my screen. Um, and I'm sharing it. So if you guys, I've got more long videos regarding which I do on the Zoom calls. If you go and look at here by the 14th of April, this is the first time I started the SBS strategy explaining it. And this strategy was already started for VIP users in the beginning of the year, January. And then more or less around April, beginning of April, it was for all the users that can move over for free to the EasyBots, to the SBS strategy. So I'm going to show you one account here quickly. I've already logged into this account. Now, just to check, for those people that wants to have some more information, um, you can, if you're not on EasyBot, I'll also put my link into the group in the WhatsApp, in the YouTube. And this is basically how your dashboard looks like when you're in the EasyBot, when you're registered in your dashboard. Now, there's two ways that you can quickly go and check what is the SBS strategy. If you just go down here, you'll see there's a review of a sliding blockchain strategy review. You can click on that and whoops, it will open up for you a channel on your YouTube where it's been explained quick and easily. Then that is a 31-minute video, but you can also go, if you just go here well, I always say on the hamburger bar, and you go to resource guide on your left. People, this company is very transparent. All the information is here. You just need to know where to access it. Sorry, it's not that one. That is the resource guide, which tells you everything about what is going on in the system. I actually wanted to go to, if you see here, EasyBot link directory, library. If you click on the link library, this is also for the users where they can actually see, and there's the SBS performance. And if you just like click on the analysis, you can see there's 29 pairs that is being used in the EasyBot, and you'll find it's not this is good quality pairs. You do not even have to worry it. EasyBot is done for you also. And there you can see we get a weekly update on the performance of the pairs or the bot. Let me just quickly explain. Each pair cake USDT is equal to one bot. You physically go and look in here and you assign a bot to a specific pair. All right. Now, if I go to this case, on this account, what I'm quickly going to do, I'm going to change the mass over to it. So all I need to do, I click on bots. And once you open your bots, you will see that this bot is running on the mass strategy. Now, the quickest and the fastest way is to click on it just anywhere in the screen. You click on this, You go to settings. I just want to quickly go back to show you something else. Sorry. If you can look at here, this bot bought two covers at the moment, C2. Every time the EasyBot strategy is also in my YouTube, you do not even have to close your trades or anything or close the bots. You just need to change it. So I click on this because I need to just all the questions that usually get asked. I go to settings. And all you need to do once you're in settings, you go to from your strategy there, you click for moving to slide blade SBS strategy. I want to change. I want to switch. I say OK. And then I click on save. And then the internet is a bit slow. Once I saved it, I can go back and whoops, there is on the SBS strategy. Easy, fast, plug and play. This is what EasyBot is all about. You do not have to be experienced trader or anything. I do help the people once you get into this. If you click on my downline or click on my referral link, I'll even help you and I'll set up helping setting you up your bot. And once your active bot is active, I will even be able to assist you with the yearly fee. The yearly fee on the bot. If you click there, I'm just going to show you quickly. I click on upgrade. The first 45 days is a free trial running. Thereafter, you need to pay $100 for a whole year of membership, which includes 5 bots, not just one, 5. And your bots can run anything from $20 in a KuCoin account up to $10,000 a bot. It's your decision. And as you grow into this community, you want to have more bots and more connections, then you just upgrade and you only have to pay the difference. But I will be able to help you there with 50% of that $100 once you need to register. All right. Well, thank you, and please contact me. I'll put my email in and I'll put my referral link in, and have a nice day. Yeah.